Yeah,
Feel right there.
it hurts.
Okay, can you lift up your shoulder blade? And bring it down. Does that hurt?
No.
No. How's that? Any pain?
No.
If I lift, how's that? Okay.
I like a little bit of discomfort, but it's not like
Okay,
super
bring
painful.
it this way.
That's painful.
That's painful. How about that?
That's better.
Okay. Okay, that actually takes your pain away.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Pain in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you rotate to the right, look
My
to
head.
the right, yeah, does that take away your pain or make it worse?
Worse.
Okay, go to the left.
And worse.
Worse, okay. Alright, go on your back.